Okay, let's do another video or another Revit work. I'm trying to remember what I was talking about the last time. Oh, I think I was talking about scaling, right? This guy. And make sure that it's 1 inch is equal to 400 feet. Okay, so, and before I was doing that, what I was showing you guys was, I think that we were looking at how to copy from one level to the next level. And I think that I'm gonna do that before I change my mind about what I'm doing. So the first thing I'm gonna do is make sure that nothing is pinned. Okay, so you know what I should have done, just like I was saying in the other well, anyway, but so it's easier to what I'm gonna do is select these guys, and it's easier to select them in this 3D view. So what I'm checking is, what I could have done was to make sure that nothing is pinned, right? Okay, and since I'm here, so we are gonna go to the section view and copy 15 feet up. Okay, so we copy, that's the move. Okay, we unhook the constraints and we go 15, right? Go 15, I'm just typing 1.5 and Revit defaults it to 50 to the feet unit. So maybe not. And then we go to the second level, second floor overall. Yeah, let's go here. Okay, so if I undo, right, it wasn't there, and if I redo, then it comes back. It's as if we went at lightning speed and we did the same thing, only we didn't have to look at the section view. We just stayed on the second floor. So let's close this and go to the first floor and go to the let's see, I think that, let me look at my notes. There is a floor drain. Okay, I'm gonna use this floor drain, and again, this symbol is to do something with, right? Click on host face to place instant, right? So it's saying place on vertical. No, we want it on the floor, right? Okay, so I'm gonna place it here, place on floor. Okay, I've done that one. So I'm going to put it, looks like there's more room here because you have to think about the fitting, right? Because I'm gonna need a fitting to connect if this pipe is gonna run this way along parallel to this, to the chase, right? And I want to make sure that I have my fixtures and my pipes going right, because I want my vent to come to the wall. So it looks like everything's okay, and I'm gonna get that. Do I get that one first? Let's see. Let's go to section view and look at this guy. Let's pump this up, because on the second level we're gonna have the same, it's gonna be the same layout. I'm gonna do the same thing, only I'm gonna do it on one level. Close this on one level first and then copy it up. You know, I mean, looking at this, everything's gonna be the same, except it's gonna be across the board. So let's go back, and we have to look at strategies, right? So second floor, what's the best way to do this? Go here, and it's a 3-inch, and we go, let's go clockwise. Again, make this sure no slope is off. We want a PVC pipe, okay, and sanitary, and let's go here and straight. At this point, I don't like to slope the pipe because it's it's not real. Okay, I mean, some things are left unchecked, so I leave that alone. And so because that's lower, so I can come from my water closets and come down into what I'm gonna need to do is change this pipe to a 4-inch pipe, right? Because it's gonna go here down along this pipe chase. So while I'm here, what I can do is change the direction and the slope. The slope is gonna go down, but okay, so we got a 3-inch diameter pipe. The slope is down, and the pipe types looks like everything is okay. So we okay, this is going to be a 3-inch. Okay, I know what I'm gonna do. Okay, so from here, this pipe is going to be a 4-inch, but before I do that, I'm gonna make this pipe a fitting, okay, and change the slope because the slope is going up. Right click, draw the pipe up, right, go around, automatic. Our slope is gonna go up. Pipe types, I think these guys once you draw them, then they kind of stay fixed. I think it's the initial when you come off the fixture that it gives you an option of what type of pipe to use coming off the plumbing fixture. And then after, I don't know what this thing does after it. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. So anyway, what was I saying? Oh, we're going up the roof. The roof is on fire. Okay, so we're going up at 3 inches, but we're gonna need to change this pipe. I think that what I'm gonna do, because I don't want to make this fitting over again, I'm gonna change that to a 4-inch. It's low, yeah. Okay, it's low. And this guy is gonna be a 4-inch. Right? Okay, good. This guy is gonna be a 4-inch. 4. Oh yeah, that worked. Okay, good. So we got slope going up, or going down from right to left. And we're going down, and we're going up, from left to right. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's what it's doing. That's what they told me. So let's go over so we can get our pipe. I'm gonna cap that pipe. And can we look at the section? Let's look at the section so we can connect these pipes. So we're coming off, right click, and we have to make sure that this is a PVC, okay, and no slope, right, no slope, PVC. Sanitary, same thing for our other pipe. Okay, and we are going to go here, and because they are back to back, they should line up, and I should make a clean connection here. And what I need is a fitting, or however, yeah, I need a fitting here. So I'm going to do create similar and connect at the midpoint down. But I think that it's going to give me a Y combination. So I'm gonna change this, the routing preference. See, it was going to give me this Y combination, but I need to change this combination to a vent fitting, just because it's not real. T reducing vent. Yeah, this is the one I want, but you can choose whatever works for you. But according to this template, I'm going to choose that booger bear. Okay, so right click, create similar. We are here, so that fitting works so far. So what I need to do is align, right? Is align one pipe to the other, right? So let's see that in 3. Let's see that. So where are we? Okay, we're here. Okay, good. Okay, so everything looks like it's coming out rosy so far. Let's go back. Go back. And change. Or do we change? Let's see if we can stick with the program. Let's first floor and look at another section. Another back to back, right? Let's go back to back again. Because what's gonna be the problem here? Let me look at my notes. Let me see. That looks like I didn't take good notes on that one. I wouldn't do it like that again. Because what I'm looking at is the urinals, right? Is the urinals and the water closets. And if I look at that section, you have this urinal at 2 inches that needs a floor, that needs a P-trap, right? Let me check and make sure everything looks good. I'm just okay, so we got this. I think I might be able to connect this, because all I'm concerned about is my fixture units. The contractor is going to make it fit however he's going to do that, but I'm not concerned about that. However that works in the real world. Oh man. Okay, so we got that. I'm going to, let's go up, and I think that I can make this guy, this 4-inch, I think he's going to be the dominant player, right? So let me get everything else out of the way. Get this guy out of the way. Okay, that's good. And make that 1 1/2. Yeah, we'll leave that at 1 1/2 so that we can have enough room. So we go here, 4 inches, no slope. Let's see, and go down to connect. Okay, so let's align this pipe with this one. Okay, and so we can bring this guy up. Okay, I'm glad I left that alone. So we go up and connect. All right, we have to connect, leave that at 1 1/2 inches, and because everything is aligned in our floor plan, then we should be able to connect into that 4-inch, but I'm going to change that to probably a 3-inch. I don't know. We'll see. Right now it's a 4-inch. So all I need now is room for the fitting. So I need to change this to a let's see, I need to change it to a sanitary T, right? Because it's, let me look at my notes, make sure my notes say that. I think that's right. I think T reducing sanitary. I mean, I can leave it the way it is, which is what I should do. But I just want to make sure that sometimes it's good to see using the right fitting. It's good to see if it will fit. And right now, I need the right fitting. Right? I think that's a sanitary. Yeah, some kind of sanitary T in this direction. So let's change this. Let's change it to maybe, let's say a 3-inch. Something, I don't know, 1 1/2, 2 inches, something. 2 inches, 3 inches. What? Let's change it. 4 inches, 3 inches. Okay. Okay. 3 inches. 3. Again? No? 3 here? The heck? What is Revit doing, man? Okay, so I guess it likes that, huh? Cap. Oh, you know what? Let's cap. What size is that? 3 inch? So that's a 1 1/2 inch by 3 inch. 1 1/2 inch. Well, however that works, what I was going to do was check my notes. Okay, yeah, they make a, just going to check and see if there's a 3 by 3 by 1 1/2 inch. Okay, I don't know why I'm doing that, but anyway, anyway, I guess that was just out of habit. So yeah, that's that's what I was looking at before. I was gonna finish my video, but I kept going, huh? Let's have this guy go down and see if we can make that fit. So we're going down, and we will continue to go down, and let's look at that section again. Here we're going to need a combination, just because let's go here. Mounds don't remember that. Oh, y'all probably don't remember that commercial. Almond Joy has almonds. Mounds don't. Okay. Okay. So we're going back, and just to make a connection here, I want to make this connection. And I think that the rest of these two, and these two back to back, we've already done. So I think I've done the two that are going to be typical. And let's connect or extend one pipe to the other pipe, okay? And make sure that we are counting. I think we can do this one too. Trying to hide under here. I think we can do this one. Let's see. We can extend one pipe to the next. Woo! I think that, anyway, that's tight. I can make that go down. Let's unhook. Let's go back. And go here. Section, it should go down, right? But Revit can get very picky when it comes to moving as a group. So I'm glad it continued to go down. I guess it just felt good that day, or I guess it's feeling good today. Okay, let's go back and finish. Okay, so I think that's gonna be it for the day, and I will talk to you guys later.